Hello there, hi, it's Julie here. I am up in my studio in Sarrett and I've just completed and finished the first wax workshop that I have held up in this new studio. So whilst everything is still out, I thought I'd give you a quick, do a quick Facebook Live so you can see what it is that we've been up to, because I think people find it all a bit complicated. So let me turn this around. So we've got everything set up here. More and more bits coming up. So today we have been working with this range of equipment, the Arts Encaustics. We've been using an encaustic iron and encaustic stylus. So it's basically like a drawing tip on there, and there are all sorts of different attachments you can use, like this. So lots of different colour waxes. So these are all, yeah, loads of different colours. So basically you melt the wax and then you can start painting with it. So at the moment in this form it's a solid state, but once these are turned on, you melt it onto your iron or onto your heated stylus, and then we've been card making. So we've had a nice gentle, easy, first workshop too. This is really good. Anybody can do this at all, just like a complete beginner who says they can't paint can come and work with this stuff. So we've just been having some fun, basically, losing ourselves completely, and been doing some stamping, making a bit of Christmas cards. Kind of, it was like going back to kindergarten at times. Just losing ourselves in the flow of it all. So there's a load of different examples of cards that we've made up. So I might just fire the iron up and show you in a minute. And then we've got all sorts of things over here. So loads of stamps. So we had loads of stamping. So these are just like little ink pads. I don't know what we've got here. Oh, that's a Y. So yeah, you basically just kind of get a stamp and on your paper that you're going to go onto. Anyway, creating lots of things like that. And I've got lots of banners and happy Christmases and all sorts of different ways of creating cards. So yeah, it's been really fun. So actually, I'll just see if I can plug this in quickly. Excuse me. And I'll see if I can give you a very, very quick, and I'll be able to do this with one hand. So we're painting using a particular encaustic card, like this. I don't know how well this is going to work. One-handed, we will see. I don't know, I can see somebody's watching, hopefully, maybe let me know if you can see this. It doesn't take long to heat up at all. And then you take your wax block. So this is now hot. It was a moment ago, it was cool. But now that is molten. So I don't know if you can see that okay. So you've got that lovely, lovely molten wax melting onto the iron. Like that. Turn it over and then you can wipe it across your paper. So you can see at the moment, so I'll pick this up, it's quite shiny. So you see there at the moment it's quite shiny. What that means is that's still molten, it's still hot, but as soon as it goes matte, in this matte colour here, that means it's cooled enough and it's not, it's solid now, so it's in its solid form. Hello Jackie. So yeah, so once you've got a covering of wax, you can then start to just use the iron to get some effects. So you can kind of use the base of the iron or the edge of the iron. This is really tricky doing this one-handed and through a video. So you just start to heat it and just play with it, manipulate it. If you don't like a picture, so you can see straight away, sort of quite quickly. You see there, it's still molten, and it doesn't take very long, only a few seconds, and that will then go to that matte state. So already, quickly got quite fun finishes there. So this has got a bit of silver in with a kind of a bluey colour. If you don't like a picture, that's fine. Just go over it and start again. So really, really fun. Anybody can do this. It's really easy to get started. There are no health and safety implications. It's just, yeah, really, really fun and so therapeutic. Like the time this morning just flew by. We just couldn't believe the time. So yeah, it's been great. So anyhow, that's very quick, very, very quick demonstration with the Arts Encaustic iron. So that's what we've been up to today. Let me see if I can turn this around again. Hang on. There we go. So that's what we've been doing this morning with some card making workshops. So if you fancy having a go yourself, actually I'm going to be at Ashlynn's Craft Fair this coming Sunday the 18th. I think the craft fair is on from 11 till 4, but I will be there about 2:30. So I'll be demonstrating with those two pieces of equipment, with the iron and the stylus. And then there's the opportunity for you to have a go afterwards if you manage to book one of the sessions up. So I'll be there on Sunday afternoon. Otherwise, I've got a couple more card making workshops. So if you wanted to join me, just get in touch. There's one on Saturday, I think it's Saturday the 24th of November, 2:30 to 4:30. And then there's another one on Friday the 30th of November, which is 9:30 in the morning until 11:30. But feel free to give me a shout if you fancy having a go yourself. And you can either get really creative with the Christmas card side or just sit and play with the wax. It's a great opportunity to use both pieces of kit. It's good fun. Anyhow, I just thought I'd show you what we've been up to. Any questions, feel free to pop in the chat and I will come back later and see if I can help you. All right, just thought I'd show you that. Take care. Bye.